There is a train, Vande Bharat train. Initially, it starts from a rest. Initial velocity at A is equals to 0. Moves with a constant acceleration of 2 meters per second for half a minute. Now, initially the train is at A. Half a minute it has traveled up to the point B. Now, starting from rest, I am talking about AB journey. AB journey. In a half a minute, the train is traveling from A to B. It is starting from rest. Initial velocity at A is equal to 0. The train is moving with a constant acceleration, 2 meters per second square. Acceleration A is equals to 2 meters per second square. Now please listen. It is traveling for a half a minute. Time taken from A to B is equals to a half a minute. It is nothing but 30 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Half a minute means 30 seconds. Now, in this half a minute, I am calculating the distance traveled. It is traveling from A to B. Distance traveled is equals to, it is traveling from A to B. S is equals to UT plus half AT square. And the initial velocity at A. Now please listen. It is starting from rest. Initial velocity is 0. Time. Half a minute means 30 seconds. T means 30 seconds. Half. Acceleration. From A to B, acceleration is 2 meters per second square. Acceleration 2. Time. A to B, time is 30 seconds. Time is 30. Square, I am writing square. 0 into anything, 0 I am not writing. 2 gets cancelled. 30 square, 900. Distance travelled unit is meter. Distance between A and B is equals to 900 meter. This distance is 900 meter. Now, please listen here. It is starting from rest. It is traveling for 30 seconds. At the end of the 30 seconds, what is the velocity I am finding at this point? At the end of 30th second, at the end of 30th second, velocity at this point, now please listen, starting from rest, it is traveling 900 meters. At this point, I am finding the velocity. Initial velocity 0. At this point, the velocity is a final velocity. Final velocity is equals to U plus AT. Initial velocity at A. Initial velocity at A. Initial velocity at A is 0, starting from rest. Acceleration in between A and B, acceleration is 2 meters per second square. From A to B, time taken is 30 seconds. Time taken 30 seconds. No value for 0. 2 into 30, 60. 60 meters per second. Velocity at this point is 60 meters per second. Right. Now, from the next onwards, at this point, brakes are applied for the train. Brakes are applied means velocity goes on decreasing. Velocity goes on decreasing means acceleration is a negative. Finally, train is stopped. Stopped means final velocity is equal to 0. Final velocity is equal to 0. Now, I am talking about the journey BC. I am talking about BC journey. Now please listen. For the BC journey, for the AB part, this is the final velocity. For BC part, this is the initial velocity. From B to C journey, it is the initial velocity. Right? For at the point B, for AB journey, This is the final velocity. For BC journey, 60 meter per second is initial velocity. At this point, initial velocity is 60 meter per second. 60 meter per second. Finally, it is traveled for 1 minute. Time is equals to 1 minute. Time is equals to 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Now please listen. Its number final velocity is 0. Final velocity is 0. The reason is it is stopped. Velocity goes on decreasing. Acceleration is a negative. I am finding acceleration in between A, B and C. Now please listen here. Acceleration formula V minus U by T. Final velocity VC. Initial velocity at B. Acceleration between B and C is velocity at C. Velocity at C is 0. Initial velocity at B velocity is 60. Time from B to C, time is 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. No value for 0. 60 by 61. That is equal to minus 1 meter per second square. In this journey BC, acceleration is equals to minus 1 meter per second square. Negative sign indicates velocity goes on decreasing. Now, I am finding the distance between B and C. Distance between B and C. Distance between B and C. UT plus half AT square. Initial velocity at B. Now, distance between B and C is equal to initial velocity at this point 60. Time from B to C, time is 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Half acceleration between B and C, acceleration is minus 1. Acceleration minus 1. T. From B to C, time is 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Yes, BC is equals to 60 into 60, 3600 plus into minus, minus 1 by 2, 60 square, 3600. Yes, BC is equals to 3600 by 2, 1800. 3600 minus 1800, nothing but 1800. Distance unit is meter. Distance between B and C is 1800 meter. Now please listen here. There are now first question they are asking. First question. The total distance moved by the train. Total distance means AB plus BC. Total distance. Total distance moved by the train, nothing but AC. Nothing but AC. Total distance is equals to AB distance plus BC distance. AB distance plus BC distance. AB distance is 900 meter. AB distance 900 meter. BC distance is 1800 meter. 1800 meter. 18 plus 9, 27. 18 plus 9, 2700 meter. 2700 meter. 2700 meter. Total distance traveled by the train is in 900 plus 1800, 2700 meter. One more question they are asking. The maximum speed attained by the train. Here, velocity of the train 0. Here, velocity of the train 60. Here, velocity of the train 0. Here, velocity 0. Here, velocity 60. Here, velocity 0. Maximum velocity is 60. Second question. Maximum velocity attained by the train is 60 meter per second. Third question. The position of the train at a half of the maximum speed. The position of the train at a half of the maximum speed. Now, at a half of the maximum speed, what is the position of the train? Now I am talking about AB journey. Now initial velocity 0, at B maximum velocity 60, half of the maximum speed. Half of the maximum speed means maximum speed 60. Half of the maximum speed means 30. Suppose the train is at the point D. Train is at the point D. I am talking about AB journey. Initial velocity 0. Initial velocity starting from rest. Now maximum speed is 60. Half of the maximum speed 30. Half of the maximum speed 30 meter per second. AB journey acceleration is equals to 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. Suppose the distance traveled is from A to B, A to D. Distance traveled is A to D. Now S is equals to UT plus a half AT square. Now the train is starting from rest. Initial velocity is 0. Time. Now here, please listen. Now here from A to B maximum speed 60. Half of the journey. 1 minute please. 1 minute. Now we are having one formula. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. At this position, at this position D, maximum speed, half of the maximum speed means 30. Half of the maximum speed 30 square. Initial velocity 0. 2 into acceleration. Acceleration in between AB, acceleration is 2. Distance traveled I don't know, AD. Distance traveled AD. 30 square means 900. 2 into 2, 4 into S into AD. 4 comes to denominator. SAD is equal to 900 by 4. 450 by 2. 225. 225 meter. At half of the maximum speed, the train is at 225 meter from the starting point, that is at D. Next BC journey. In this half of the maximum speed, now please listen here. Please listen. I am talking about BC journey. I am talking about BC journey. BC journey. Now here in this BC journey, here starting velocity 60, final velocity 0, half of the maximum speed, it is 60, it is 0, half maximum is 60, minimum 0, half of the maximum means 30. Now at this point, initial velocity at B is 60 meter per second. Now at a half of the velocity goes on decreasing. At a particular point, I am calling it as E. At this point, speed becomes a half. Maximum is 60. Half of the maximum speed means 30. Velocity at E is equal to 30 meter per second. In this journey, acceleration is minus 1. Acceleration is equals to minus 1. Now, in this, to get the half of the maximum speed, it is traveling from B to E. This distance we have to find. This distance we have to find. SBE is equal to what? V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. V square. Now please listen here. Final velocity at a half of the maximum speed. Half of the maximum speed means 30. V means 30. Initial velocity. And now I am talking about a BC journey. Initial velocity 60. square 2 into acceleration. In this BC journey, acceleration is a -1. Yes. Now it is traveling from B to E. 30 square means 900. 60 square means 3600 is equal to -2 into SBE. SBE, this distance. Now, 900 minus 3600 minus 2700 minus 2 into SBE. Minus minus cancelled. 2700 by 2 is equal to SBE. 2600 means 1300 half. 1350. SBE is equal to 1350 meter. This distance is 1350 meter. They are asking. What is the first position is at half of the maximum speed. First position is 225 meter. Second position is from starting we have to take this distance. It is 900 plus 1350. It is 900 plus 1350. Second position. Position 2 from starting point. The train is at this point E. From starting point, this distance is 900, it is 1350. 900 plus 1350. 900 plus 1350. Now nothing but AE is equal to AB plus BE. AB is 900. BE is 1350 meter. Nothing but 1350 plus 1350 900 2250 meter from starting point at a distance of 2250 meter. It will again get the half of the maximum speed. Thank you.